Hey, what's going on, guys? Harlan here with Money Mindset, and I'm going over PCIe risers and which one is my favorite. Alright, so first off, we have this one. I got this one off Amazon. Um, I did have problems with a few of these. I bought 6 of these, and I don't know, I think it was 4 of them that didn't work. Um, I'm not sure why. Everything, like my graphics card works, my GPU works, power supply works, Molex adapter worked. Checked everything before. I had it set up on, let's see, this computer, and I tried to get that second graphics card. I don't know if you can see it right there. Tried to get that one off because it was sandwiched in between. The top one gets super hot. I'm sure you guys know. But so I ordered more risers. I ordered these ones right here. These ones are working perfectly, not a problem, not one single problem at all. And let's see. So this one has 4 capacitors, as these one only has 3. This one also has a 6-pin power adapter right here, Molex adapter, and SATA power right there. The one thing I did like about this one, well, not the one thing, but I liked how this one clicks in. So it clicks, it gets a nice sturdy click. This one right here doesn't even move. I don't even know why, but it doesn't move. I have all, well, see, I got 4 of these risers hooked up on my mining rig right here. These are 4 1080 Ti's. This one is a Zotac amp edition, extreme amp edition, and the rest are Asus, I forgot what it's called, Republic of Gamers Strix edition. There it is. And I'm using a BioStar BTC TB BTC 250 with the Intel Celeron processor, and this is what I'm mining so far. I just got paid out today, and today alone I mined about, I would say about $20 worth of Ethereum, and 8.66% of my 0.2 Ethereum payout. And it's been doing good. I did have a couple problems, as you can see right here. I don't know what I was doing. I think I was setting up the new mining rig, and I got it working, and it failed. And then right here, let's see, I got it working again, overclocked it, I think, failed, and I'm just having a bunch of failures. It's not very stable, as it should be, but now actually it's been stable, hasn't had a hiccup yet. Right here is when I was gaming. You can see how it dropped a little bit. And let's see, the calculator, currently on January 19th 2018, mining 777 US dollars a day worth of Ethereum. And let's see, Ethereum's worth $1,022 as of today. And so these risers actually do come in a plastic bag, same as those actually. But oh yes, I forgot to say. So the red riser, I don't know if you can see it very well. Let's see if it focuses. Soldering on this riser right here, or whatever you call this, the 1x riser, I guess, is flawless compared to these ones right here. This one, I don't know if you guys could see, but they might be touching, I'm not sure. It's really hard to tell, but that might be causing the problem. Not quite sure, but I do have a link to these risers from Amazon in case you guys want to pick these up. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Out.